Is your social media activity the basis of getting a digital PR job?
I don't think it's just that. No, I think it can be an element of it, especially in today's industry. I would say experience is 100% the first thing, but not everybody does come into this industry with mounds and mounds of experience. I know that I had experience when I came into my first digital PR job, but it wasn't really digital marketing. Um, I just sort of showed a bit of tenacity, I think, for the job. And when it came to getting my job now, it was a mixture of having that bit of experience, but also being able to show that experience. And I think that's the key, is that social media is a platform that we communicate on now. And any relevant experience you have, use social media because it's free and it's a great way to show that. And it's something that it's very hard to show your experience in a CV or in a cover letter or sometimes even in an interview. But if you are constantly putting something out there which demonstrates what you can do, I think it just helps you along the way. Basically, I think it's a good tool in your arsenal. It's not the only thing you should be thinking about. If you can get experience in the industry, then amazing, because that is what's going to teach you the most. But using social media as a tool to convey that, I think, is what I would advise to people starting out.